Hey, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the video for this Garrett Z-Link headphone set. We are live. 122. 122. Got the list here. We got 10 entries. Dan on the top, David on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. Got 9 times. 122. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. We got Dan on the top. Let's go 9. Good luck at 122. 122. Last and final roll. Top spot gets these Z-Link headphones. Congratulations goes to spot 10, David. Congratulations, David. Go ahead and send me a PM. What is going on here? Sorry, everyone. Go ahead and pick or send me a PM, David, and I'll get these out to you as soon as possible. We are done. 123. 123. Congratulations again, David. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.